Oh my god, I've already screwed it up. Oh no. Oh no. Hello guys, my name is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a while since I've sat down and made a video because I feel like my last couple of videos have all been outdoors. So yeah, I'm kind of really excited to just finally sit down and chat with you guys a little bit, and then we'll move on to this video. I have a lot more makeup on my face than usual. Generally, I don't even bother with any eyeshadow whatsoever. Honestly, this was my first time attempting an eyeshadow work like this, and I just decided to record it, and that's the point of this video. I know you guys see a lot of professional eye makeup tutorials. Now this one is a tutorial and also not, and I really hope you guys also find this helpful as well as fun. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with this video. Just to make the things a little bit easier, I've already put on the foundation, primer and concealer, and I've already set my base makeup. And as you can see, I've already done one side of the eye. So basically this is what we are going to be attempting. Hopefully this eye will look identical to this eye. So that's the aim today. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got like a nice transition going on. I know it's not perfect. So as you can see, there's yellow and it just transitioned like a sunset would. So we're just going to try and do the same thing for this eye. I'm going to take a nice fluffy blending brush like this. This one is by Pro Art and it's in the number PE22. So I am wearing false lashes. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this yellow color right here and I'm going to apply it all over my crease, like everywhere, all over my eyelids, all over my crease. And you might have to, you know, add 2 to 3 different coats. Just keep adding it until you're happy with the pigmentation that you have. So this is what the color is going to look like, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So you just apply it all over the lids. You don't have to be precise. Just make sure it's all over everywhere. Just go above your crease too. So next I'm going to use the same fluffy brush and I'm going to choose this color right here, this nice orange shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid only. So as you guys can see, it kind of already looks like a sunset because like the yellow is transitioning into the orange. One last time again. We're not going to blend it too much, otherwise it will just become like one color and we don't want that. Regular eyeshadow brush just to you know, add in the color. So next I'm gonna take this brush. I'm going to use this purple and a little bit of this orange, so that we get a nice purpley orange color. And then I'm going to apply it all over my lid, but only in like the bottom part. Now this one is looking a lot closer to the one on my right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the same brush and I'm going to use this darker purple color over here. Then I'm just going to add it to the edge over here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this purple, this pink and this red, and a little bit of the orange too. The same combination again. So now we're going to take our first yellow color again and I'm going to add it to the inner corner. Okay, so next what we're going to do is I'm going to take the deep purple shade again on an angled brush. So I'm just going to dab that in a little bit. So I've just taken that deep purple shade on an angled brush and I'm just going to apply it all over the lower lash line. Okay, so after we're done doing that, I'm just going to add a little bit of the highlighter on the brow bone. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I generally don't do a lot of wing liners, and that's because I can never get it even. So fingers crossed guys that I can get this left one as even as the right one. Okay guys, I am done with my eye makeup and this is how it looks. I'm actually really happy with it. So I'm going to go ahead and contour. So again, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution contour kit because I love this kit. So I'm just going to use the contour shade and go like that on my cheekbones. Then I'm going to take this bronzer shade right here and I'm going to add this to my cheeks so that it gives me a nice bronzed look, because this is like a very warm toned eye makeup, so I think a bronzed overall look will really complement it. So then I'm going to go ahead with the highlighter and I'm going to apply the highlighter with my fingers. Just going to take that and then go like that. Ooh, that looks good. I'm going to do that to the center of my nose too, especially the tip. And then, so for my lips, I decided to go ahead and use this color. So this one is Beeper by Colourpop, and again it's like a very popular lip shade by Colourpop. And there you go guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I can't believe I did this eye makeup look because, like me, it's a huge deal guys. So guys, that was the end of this little amateur tutorial. I really hope you guys like this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and like, comment, and you know, all those jazz stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!